And as the case numbers hit record levels again, the mayor of Denver and the governor made major announcements today.
They say planning and taking action now will help our state avoid the worst of this pandemic. Denver 7's Jessica Porter breaks it all down for us.
On the third day this week of over 1,000 new positive cases in Colorado, Denver issued new restrictions to curb the virus.
These additional steps, we're aiming to strike a balance between keeping people healthy and, frankly, keeping Denver's economy alive.
Masks must now be worn outdoors when you're with someone outside of your household, and gatherings are limited to no more than 5 people. The new restrictions will remain in place until November 16th.
We must take these additional steps over the next 30 days and do the hard work that's needed now so that we can enjoy the holiday seasons with our families.
Meanwhile, Governor Polis and doctors from CDPHE laid out the state's vaccine distribution plan being submitted to the CDC. When a vaccine becomes available, supply will be limited, so they have to prioritize who gets it first.
If we get, 1,000 vaccines in December, that doesn't make much of a difference at all on the trajectory of the virus. So it's about efficacy, and it's about quantity and the date.
Healthcare workers, first responders, and residents of long-term care facilities will be at the front of the line. Then those who are unhoused, living in group homes, students and workers staying in congregate housing, essential workers, and high-risk individuals. Once the vaccine is widely available, the general public will have access to it.
Even after the dosage is available, hopefully, early next year for widespread, many of them require 2 doses that are 30 days apart, so that immunity isn't even necessarily there until 45 days or so after that first dose.
There are several companies in phase 3 of their COVID vaccine trial. Pfizer believes they may have one ready by late November or early December. Jessica Porter, Denver 7.
And we just learned Arapahoe County also taking action to tackle rising case numbers. Starting tonight, last call for alcohol is moving up to 11 p.m. instead of midnight, and gatherings of friends and neighbors are being limited to 10 people or fewer.